Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I have a 16 by 20 inch canvas, an OXO omelet turning flip and fold, best paint spreading tool I know of, and a desire to be freaky weird. I want to make a background for some Dutch poured flowers, and I'm not sure what's going to happen, but I'm going to play fast and loose with paint and my spatula for a minute. That was the green gold from Folk Art. Where's my emerald green? There it is. That was a flake of paint that they dogged me everywhere. Anyway, so this is just meant to be a background. That's my theory so far anyway. Nice painting though. Let's start. And I've got Mead and paint and bottles in my way. And I want to be completely covered. Well, I might not need to be that completely covered. And if I'm not, I suppose I can always go back and add some more paint. That pink is in lieu of white because I was thinking about white and I decided against it. The pink is mostly Anita's metallic. So I'll just put paint down where I see that I'm missing some paint. And try and use up what's left on my spatula in the gaps. And the Mead and Black paint that's on my Amazon link is what I'm using with a little bit of water in it. And it is potentially a cell creator. And I do see some. And I want to get rid of this spatula right now. Whoops. Trying to clean it off on my Lola Free silicone mat. And now I'm going to take some risks. I'm going to just treat these like blooms, but also Dutch pours. We'll see what happens. That's not coming out. And I'm going to use a little bit of my Anita's white metallic. And we're going to see what happens. Alright, that's my base, I guess. This is some neon purple with some gold iridescent profine in it. The last time I did this, it was flowers. I think, excuse me, leaves. Wow, okay. Can't hold the blow dryer and put the paint down. Got to put one down. Let's try. Try some hot orchid again. A little turquoise with gold iridescent profine in it. A little bit of electric blue from Arteza. And a little bit of that Venetian blue from Modern Masters. Part of me wants to just put a dot of black right in the center of both of those and use my airbrush. I know that makes cells. And evidently, I can imitate petals. And that one's missing a petal, obviously. Somewhat, anyway. So I'm going to go back to what I was doing when it was working for me, and I might regret that, but I might not. I'm going to use some Folk Art color shifting purple flash and a little bit of the Prism Pour Hot Orchid that only has water in it. That's why I don't keep it in a bottle. I wonder if there's a certain pattern that will work. You know what? I'm being called to the blue. Come on, off you go. There we go. I'm going to do the same thing I just did. Well, you know what? I don't have to, because that looks enough like a flower already. I could probably do that with balloon rolls, but I like to just... What am I going to do? I'm going to do something. Put a spiral in the center there. Needs to be bigger than that. That's kind of interesting. I'm not sure it's my favorite yet, but I'm getting there. Put some more black. I'll just go right back to my original way of doing things. And I could put leaves on tomorrow if I were brazen and brave. What do I want there? I know what I want there, and that needs to have whatever's in the tip of it cleaned out. I'm just having fun now. There we go. Not sure the second one needed it, but it'll be okay. Yeah, no, I like that. I need at least one more to make it an odd number. Come out. Aim from up high, well above. Just pull from the inside out. That's kind of cute. I like it. And just keep layering colors right in there. Not a problem. I think I need something more specific in here though. I could do this also with a straw, if I could get. So you don't need an airbrush, is my opinion anyway. You can just keep layering colors you like in and out of your centers. Kind of like the idea of adding some leaves tomorrow. I'm not done playing, and I'm taking my time, so I'm probably going to run out of time, but I have 5 minutes left, so maybe that's neither here nor there. Let's just keep going. I need another petal in there. That's bugging me, that spot. Either that, or I just need to add something that makes it go in a little further. Or add some lines, because I don't mind doing that. Just a few lines. Make the black in the center look like they're also inner petals. That's cool. I'm good. This is a fun way to experiment and find out what you like, in my opinion anyway. It might be crazy to do this, but I'm going to do it anyway. That more or less mixed all those colors together pretty well. I remember a long time ago I used to make up flowers. It's been a while. It's definitely fun. And then just ever so gently, hope you can get away with pulling that toward the inside. Maybe a little tiny tadpole of blue. Maybe a lot more blue came out than I was expecting, but that's par for the course. Okay, right now. I know that the magenta often sells, and I'm looking for, there we go, the white metallic. Put that magenta right in the middle. I'm going to try the blow dryer. It might be, oh, I've just tangled my blow dryer cord and my airbrush cord. Give me a moment. There we go. Not sure I recommend that. That was kind of scary. I don't know if I'm succeeding at this last flower or not, but they usually turn out, even when I'm not confident, they somehow work themselves out. Just don't like this color around the edge. I think that's my problem. Sometimes a more subtle approach is the one, and that worked. Even out my center. It's just a different kind of flower. You got to be careful not to lean into my work. That one needs to be more round. Alright, so that's 4, and I'm just going to go for something huge. Put everything in it and blow it out. Making sure I remove some of these bottles from my path. Wow. Okay. Well, I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. And pick up my blow dryer. And quick like a bunny, finish. Tell you guys I do sell my artwork. I think I said that. My email address is underneath the link tree. The link tree is underneath the video. And now I have flowers. I really need to go on to a part 2 and just keep adding more flowers because this is pretty cool. I also want to add one more right in there and see if I can fake it out, or fake it in this case. So we have 92,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel. There we go. That'll work. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, which, by the way, keeps all the heavy paint from cracking. I just want to keep adding flowers. I suppose if I add leaves, I'll probably be okay. Well, we're going to run out of time. There's no doubt about it in my mind. If you guys are interested in the monthly drawing, you should check on the exhibition video on the end screens of any video in the last 20 seconds. And anybody who contributes through PayPal or Patreon is automatically entered. You can find the links on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and you can also find the links on the link tree. I just want to keep adding colors and playing with the blow dryer. And this is obviously a flower gone sideways, and that works for me. So maybe I'll see you guys in part 2. Because I just want to keep playing now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery at the end of part 1 saying, I love you guys. Take care.